Welcome to the K3 Pebblestone demo video of cancellations and replacements within K3 Pebblestone. In the fashion industry, pre-sales account for a substantial part of sales. Using samples, the representatives sell collections that will be delivered months later. During the pre-sales period, certain items prove to sell better than others. Some items may sell so poorly that the decision is made not to purchase or produce them. In that case, the company must decide what to do with the sales orders already created for the now cancelled items. These need to be adjusted. K3 Pebblestone suggests changing the item phases for the items which do not meet the minimum order threshold. Click on the button Propose New Item Phases. For T-shirt 10001 pink and dress 10251 red, K3 Pebblestone proposes a new item phase. Blocked because the minimum order threshold isn't met. The replacement item for T-shirt 10001 pink will be T-shirt 10001 ice. Click on the button Apply New Item Phases, and the item phase has changed and the replacement worksheet is created. The replacement worksheet shows a summary of the proposed cancellations and replacements. Click on the button Calculate Worksheet. The worksheet lists all pre-sales orders that contain cancelled or replacement items. You can then make final decisions. If the Accept box is ticked, the action is carried out when posting the worksheet. If the Accept box is not ticked, K3 Pebblestone will give a reason why it was not accepted. However, you can still choose to override this and tick the Accept box manually. Document number is the reference to the pre-sales order. The column Replacement method shows if it is a cancel or replace action. In the column Price Adjustment, you can choose the pricing you would like to apply for the replacement items. The replaced item can get the original price, the replacement price, the highest or lowest price. You can optionally choose to recalculate the shipment date. Information on the item. If the item is a replacement, these columns show the details of the replacement item. The quantity on the pre-sales orders. The difference will be posted with a reason code. In this column you find the default reason codes that have been set up. You can adjust if needed. If the pre-sales order is a special order or drop shipment, this is visible in this column. Clicking on the Post button makes all the accepted adjustments on the pre-sales orders. The Not Accepted lines stay in the replacement worksheet. This is how the differences look on the pre-sales order. That's it in this episode. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again, and see you next time.